playing Epic Battle Fantasy 3, so I did do some upgrading while you guys were away. So some skills here. So now I found a skill rating, so I can actually go in as more like skills. So everyone's got these all the things. I've used all their ability points already. So yeah, I think we need to go down this way. I think we should be. Let's items. Oh, that revives a fallen ally. This place is disgusting. That should get me through what I need to. Alright. Let's fight this thing. And Hyper Start. That'd be great if I would actually do my job. That horse is not suspicious at all. Alright, they're cats. Alright. So now if you go here, I've got a couple Bushidos. Oh, hell yeah. So we're gonna do fire to the Trojan horse. Oh, it hurts it so bad. My black magic is much bigger, so we're gonna do fire again. This is probably gonna do better fire damage. Oh! Nice! I've learned a fire spell. I should wipe out the weapons. Alright, and also, the shoot, I've got quite a bit more. So we can do a little bit of a flame shot here. I figured, you know, wood. Oh! That wasn't too bad. Okay, missed that one. Alright, so, with that being said, let's continue our onslaught here. Stop juggling our items. We need those. Alright, and then the same thing here. Some more fire. Now we're starting to get somewhere. Alright, and then let's see. Let's do this treasure horse all up. Alright, so Elmo weakness, fire, and bomb. Yep. The Horn of Gondor boosts their morale. Alright. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to continue the fire onslaught on them. Boom! Black magic, fire. And then for you, I'm gonna do power 40, it's about the same power. All about the same power. The flame shot's much better, so let's just go ahead and do that. Alright. Oh god, oh god, oh god! Why is this a thing? Alright. Shaboopy! Double shot. Step fire. And just regular attack, baby. Get it. Only one wave. That's good. Alright, so do I get all my... Oh, man. Alright, so hurting a little bit here. Look at their faces. Gotta love that. Fight that thing and get to the box, but you know, and there's a little warp crystal. That must be our boss. Alright. So let's see what we got here. I like what she's wearing there. That's adorable, but that's like alright. So we just got doubles the effect of healing items. Robbing him will still work. Alright. Alright, well let's see. I do have thunder. Alright. Ooh, thunder. That'll be good against a lot of flying in the robots. Yeah. Alright, so let's see. You did a shot. I have a plasma. Alright. Oh, he's gonna be tough though. Oh, okay. I think I machine gun nipples. Alright. Okay, so what we need to do now is... Cancel that. Attack that guy. A little bit more here. Now I have white magic here. Heals all living party members. I did get that. I guess I used to spell a lot to do that. I wonder why. Boom, headshot. I thought I wasn't getting more points for just the quits, because there are a lot of them, and they're amazing. Alright, so... let's get rid of these guys here. You gotta heal yourself. Alright. So now we're getting somewhere. Keep shooting, baby. Oh, damn, son. Alright, so we got, let's get rid of this guy. And then we need to heal our buddy over here, Lance. 40, 55, alright. We need to get rid of these guys over here. You can't even see it behind it. There we go. Ah, crap passive. Okay. So now we have less people hitting us. So let's go with that. Now we're starting to move around, man. Starting to get somewhere. There we go. Let's just do it. Alright, just me and you, buddy. Oh, no, it missed. Alright, well then, continue the onslaught. Alright. We gotta leave one alive, that's just the way it's gonna work. Alright, that's fine. Boss battle, man. Yeah, let's go ahead and scan. Alright, Bomb, Thunder, and Earth. You know what? I think I have an idea. Oh, right. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's out of MP. Okay. We're gonna have to take hits here. Keep staying healing. Items, miscellaneous. I gotta go bombs. See how well it's. Oh! That does really well. We're still healthy, man. We're still healthy. Look at Toad. I have nothing left here. Special. Okay. Same thing. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. That's super helpful. Not anything else. Poison, football. Massive damage, all poison, okay. When he poison the fire, you get resistance to it. But he doesn't have the earth bomb on it, okay? So let's use our items a little bit. There we go. Okay, alright. Need another heal all, baby. I'm so glad I got that one. Oh, it's so much easier and better. Already immune to that. Let's just slaughter her. Oh, man. I actually got a regular Game Boy out. That's really great. Oh, that does good. Cannot die here. We will not die. Oh, timer. Yeah, we didn't have time for the boss battle. That's pretty much it. Alright. I just gotta keep on friends. Alright, whatever. So we're gonna do is focus on him. That's fine. Whittling him down. Oh! Okay, that's not good. Alright, come on, give me a chance here. Nope. Get your sorry ass up. We got to sit there. That was not good. That was pretty sucky. Alright, he's not doing damage at all. He needs something. And we got another one down. Shoot. I don't think we're gonna make it through this, guys. Alright. Oh man. Yeah, we are going to die. I have nothing. that can bring him back. Alright, spray and pray, baby. We're gonna die on this one. That's it right there. That's it. In my floating hand. Well, that was actually perfect timing. Alright, wow. How much longer you admire that dirt? So, I better have saved, or else this is going to be the last one, and then it's going to get a bunch of stuff. Alright, so, continue. There it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to be training and getting more. I'm going to do that in my off time for you guys. And come back here, and then I'm going to continue, if you guys want me to. So I've done my 5 episodes, I think, so far. I think. I don't know. This is going to be the last episode of this session we're going to do. And I'll see how you guys like the game, and if you like it, I'll continue on. And so please, comment and stuff. So it makes my life a lot easier. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Praise or pass. And so far, we're still up to a 7. So yeah, pretty good so far.